month, I decided to splurge and get 8 designer fragrances. You saw me unbox these suckers in March 2019. Now in April, I'm going to ask all of you, what do you guys want to see first? Coming up next. Welcome to my April 2019 haul and subscriber's choice. This is where you have a voice on this channel and vote in the comments below, 1 vote per YouTube handle, for the first fragrance out of these 8 that's going to be touched upon on this channel. So that includes a first impression on skin, so I'll do a pop the cherry, and then of course I will do a full-fledged review on every single one of these, but going from first to last in this haul, it may be months away for the review and the first impressions. So you got plenty of choices today, and I can't wait to see what the YouTube fragrance community is going to choose, because this is not 2 or 3 bottles, this is 8. So there's going to be a lot of differences. I think there's going to be a few that are going to be a little more popular than others, but never know. First and foremost, I do want to thank my partner in crime, FragranceX.com, for this haul. You can utilize my sweet coupon code Robes08 and get 15% off on the site. Most, if not all of these, are in stock currently at FragranceX, and most of these were under $100 for me, I believe. So pretty good deals on some of these, and especially this one right here is going to be a lot harder to find just because of its age. A lot of these are of course newer releases, not too many older releases. Moustache would be the only one that's really old in this haul. So if you haven't seen it yet, I did an unboxing video a month ago, and I gave my first take on these scents on just a piece of paper. So now that they're unboxed, I want to start wearing these. I already have as my scent of the days, so I've been wearing them, and I want to give you some reviews on my channel, of course, and start telling you about these and what I think about them. So that's where you guys vote. I'm going to go with the flow, what you guys think, and then I'm going to start basically pinpointing which one that you guys vote. I'm going to spend a little more time with it so I can get videos out to all of you. So if you haven't seen that old video, or you do want to see a little bit of my thoughts on these, keep it tuned in. If not, you already know what these are. You can see them from the bottles here. So let's go through the lineup. I'm going to go from here to here. They're not in particular order. I just put them here just like this. So let's take a look at them, and I don't want to spend too much time on them. So the first one in this haul is, I always wanted to get the whole Tom Ford Noir series. I still have the Eau de Toilette that I need to get, but this is one of the last ones that I got, Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Obviously a darker scent. I'm not really for spring and summer, but I really wanted to add this. That was a blind buy for me. I actually only really, I think in Sephora, I smelled only the atomizer. It was empty. The tester was actually empty on that one, and I felt like it was actually going to be a good purchase for fall and winter. So we'll see what we think. If you want me to tackle this one first, you know what to do in the comments below. Next is more geared for spring and summer. I actually love the white on this one. I absolutely love white bottles. This is from Cologne, and this is L'Homme Ideal Cologne. This is actually, every site that I go to, this is the cheapest Ideal. I got this for, I think, 30 bucks Canadian. And this is 100 mil. So if you want me to talk about this one first, you know what to do in the comments below. So I still have to get the Eau de Toilette. I have the EDP of this stuff, and I have this one. So I got a couple more from this lineup, and I do have a whole bunch of Colognes coming up. I purchased a whole bunch in a few other hauls. I'm gonna keep that a little bit of secret of what I purchased, but I got a whole bunch of them, a whole whack of them. I got at least 6 or 7 coming up in hauls, so keep it tuned in if you're a huge fan of this brand. Next is from Ferragamo. This is from their Uomo series. This is simply a Uomo Signature. Obviously more of a gourmand sweet fragrance, and I would assume that these two are more geared towards the sweet, darker scents, not really for spring and summer, but Uomo Signature, you know what to do in the comments if you want this one. Going with the same theme here, this is Valentino Uomo. This one right here, the Noir Extreme version. I really wanted to get my nose on that one. Again, more of a darker scent, more of a sweet scent. These two are kind of going hand in hand. I really do like these Uomo series from both of them. This one more based on Diaram in their series, but they're not really that original, but we'll see what this Noir Extreme can do for me. And if you want to hear more about that, of course, do what you got to do in the comments below. This one here from the House of Rocha, and this is Moustache, the Eau de Toilette Concentré version, with the nice beat up box. Very much an older scent. I'm a big fan of Rocha fragrances, and they actually made a new version of this, an EDP version of Moustache, so I can't wait to see what that one will do. So vote for that one if you want to see that one next on my channel. And then I got a couple déclarations. The first one is the Parfum, so the newer version, really dark stuff and actually really good. It was my early winner of this haul when I unboxed them on the piece of paper. And it's actually been one that's very much surprised me. This one right here, next to it is Déclaration d'un Soir, the rose-based fragrance. I did I had a sample of this stuff, blown away of the rose in that, and I really wanted to get a bottle, so I got a bottle like next haul, and here we have it. So we got two Déclarations going head to head. And last but not least, we have Prada Homme Intense. I really liked the original Prada L'Homme, and I really wanted to see, I like the black bottle. It kind of reminds me of the Amber series from Prada. I still need to get my nose on the O version, the blue bottle, and they got another one coming out. So I'm actually playing catch up with the Prada line here, but those bottles are absolutely beautiful. So again, 8 bottles. I didn't want to talk too much about these. That's what the Pop the Cherry videos are for, and the reviews too. So I didn't want this video to drag on too long. This is just for you guys to see what's in the haul and make your choice in the comments below. Vote for which one that you'd like to see first on my channel. And if you've watched this whole video, I'd love to hear your take on why you chose the one that you chose. Do you want to hear more about it? Are you looking to purchase that fragrance, or are you going to get something that's more in season for spring and summer, which this one would probably get more votes. I would say more for spring and summer, this, and this guy, and probably a little bit of this guy. These are obviously the darker scents in this haul, so they may not get as many votes just because of seasonal base, but don't think that. I got a lot of work ahead of me. I got 8 videos here, at least for Pop the Cherry, then 8 more reviews to go. So I really like this haul, and my early impressions on a lot of these fragrances, a lot of them are actually pretty solid. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see the comments below. And again, thank you so much. Keep it tuned in. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.